Hey folks, wanted to do a quick review on this Real Avid hammer and punch set and bench block. It comes as a set on Amazon. May be able to buy them separately, but I bought this as a set and been using this thing for quite a while. As you can see, probably need to clean it up, but this thing's really nice. The bench block, it's made out of rubber, and the center of it is real heavy duty, some kind of plastic, and the outside of it though has got like almost a rubber feel to it, and so it won't slide. This is not my workbench, but it won't slide around on your whatever you're working on. So if you got something laying in here, or you got like a barrel, or whatever you got you're working on, these holes are chamfered. I can kind of show you there at that angle. So it's not going to skip around, slide around on that bench block there, and then the whole block's not going to move. So that's really nice. And then one portion, I think it's just one portion of it, is magnetizing. A lot of times, like if I've got small pins, normally I've got like a cup or something on the workbench and I'll throw the small parts in there, but sometimes I got like a spring or something small, I'll throw it up against the side there, and it'll hold on there like so. You know, probably not too major of a deal there. But and then the punch set, the hammer and punch set, comes in this nice case. I just put this up on my pegboard. I try to keep everything together. I can also throw it in my, you just don't take this whole thing to the range, but I've been on some trips. You can throw this in your gun box if you're going on a longer trip. But anyway, let me get this hammer out of the way here. Well, here, let's go ahead and show you this. What's nice about this hammer is it's got interchangeable head. So it's got a brass head. So I've been banging on that just a little bit, but you know, really not torn up that bad. But it's got this brass head on it that just unscrews like so. It's got a nice, a hard plastic head. It's got a rubber head right here on it, kind of a hard rubber, black rubber, and then just a normal, some kind of chrome finished head. I don't really use that one too much. It'd just be like a normal, small, like a ball peen hammer type of head. But then your punches, thing I like about those, they've got these two little O-rings on them, so they're really easy to grip if you're having to drive out small pins. So you can do some fine work there. And I don't know if I can get the camera to focus or not, but all these punches have the sizes marked on them. Yeah, camera's not gonna pick that up, but yeah, almost. Yeah, so anyway, got the sizes marked on the ends right there. And that's the smallest one. That is a 3/32, and it goes all the way up to a 9/32. That's the largest one there. And then also comes with the plastic one. And I've used these things to like drive out sights and things like that on some Glocks. And anyway, it's a nice set. It's got a little pair of plastic tweezers. I don't know if I've really used those, but yeah, the rest of the set's very nice. Use it all the time when I'm gunsmithing. So anyway, hope that helps some people make a decision. Thanks for watching the video.